Hey parents, Pastor Guy here, Bay Farm Church, and do you ever feel like you are parenting alone? Like you have a spouse, but you feel as though more times than not, you're feeling resistance or you're fighting or pushing against the very person who's supposed to be helping you raise your child in the Lord. And you could be parenting alone. And you feel burnt out, tired. That is why we are holding a seminar called Parenting Together. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. On March 7th, we're putting it all out there. We've got dinner and childcare, an hour and a half just for you and your spouse to come and learn and grow. And in the end, we will parent together. I can't wait to see you there at the seminar.